recognition of her outstanding performance in achieving the average grade of 95.75% with high honors and awarded as the class first honor along with the best Hifdul Quran, best in Tajweed, best in Tawheed, best in Hadith, best in Sirah, best in Fiqh, best in Nahu, and best in Lughatul Arabiya for the Madrasa School Year 2024 to 2025, given the 16th day of February 2025 at Darul Khair Islamic Center. Hakot Award. Takbir!